For the health-conscious person on the go, Juicer to Go provides you with a lightweight and powerful portable juice blender. Whether you're at the office, the gym, camping, the beach, or traveling, you should not have to break your healthy lifestyle for unhealthy drinks. The Juicer to Go is a portable USB rechargeable juicer that helps you to stay in shape. Its 13.5-ounce capacity cup and powerful 6 stainless steel blades motor can easily blend any fruits, vegetables, and even ice cubes. It allows you to make a number of different smoothies, juices, shakes, cocktails, and other healthy refreshments. It even has a strainer cup for excess pulp. With the ability to blend up to 15 times between charges, you can use it on the road with ease, and it only takes 3 hours to fully charge. As for cleanup, the entire juicer can disassemble into pieces that makes it easy to clean with the included sponge. It has safety sensors that prevent blades from operating if the cup is not securely connected. If you're on the go, Juicer to Go is a healthy alternative that has no limit to where and when you can mix your favorite beverages.